Welcome, car lovers. Today we're testing your classic car knowledge. Can you guess these vintage legends from just a picture? Let's find out if you're a true car expert. You'll have just a few seconds for each one, so get ready to guess fast. Let's begin. Question 1. Which muscle car appeared in Bullet with Steve McQueen? A. 1969 Dodge Charger. B. 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. C. 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS. D. 1966 Pontiac Firebird. Answer B. 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. Question 2. Which Italian supercar introduced the mid-engine layout for road cars? A. 1964 Ferrari 250 GTO. B. 1966 Lamborghini Miura. C. 1968 Maserati Ghibli. D. 1967 Alfa Romeo 33 Straydale. Answer B. 1966 Lamborghini Miura. Question 3. Which microcar is often called the bubble car? A. 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. B. 1962 BMW Isetta. C. 1964 Fiat 500. D. 1960 Messerschmitt KR 200. Answer B. 1962 BMW Isetta. Question 4. Which classic muscle car was nicknamed the GOAT? A. 1969 Dodge Dart GTS. B. 1966 Pontiac GTO. C. 1967 Ford Torino GT. D. 1968 AMC Javelin. Answer B. 1966 Pontiac GTO. Question 5. Which British sports car did Enzo Ferrari call the most beautiful car ever made? A. 1964 Aston Martin DB5. B. 1961 Jaguar E-Type. C. 1965 MG MGB. D. 1962 Triumph TR4. Answer B. 1961 Jaguar E-Type. Question 6. Which Chevy became a symbol of hot rods and lowriders? A. 1967 Camaro Z/28. B. 1964 Impala SS. C. 1968 Nova SS. D. 1966 Malibu SS. Answer B. 1964 Impala SS. Question 7. Which luxury car is famous for its suicide doors? A. 1962 Cadillac Eldorado. B. 1961 Lincoln Continental. C. 1963 Chrysler Imperial. D. 1965 Buick Riviera. Answer B. 1961 Lincoln Continental. Question 8. Which vehicle became the symbol of the hippie movement? A. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. B. 1967 Volkswagen Microbus Type 2. C. 1965 Ford Transit. D. 1964 Citroën 2CV. Answer B. 1967 VW Microbus Type 2. Question 9. Which Japanese sports car competed with European legends? A. 1969 Datsun 240Z. B. 1967 Toyota 2000 GT. C. 1965 Honda S800. D. 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport. Answer: B. 1967 Toyota 2000 GT. Question 10. A. 1964 Renault Alpine A110. B. 1965 Citroën DS21. C. 1966 Peugeot 404. D. 1963 Simca 1000. Answer: B. 1965 Citroën DS21. Question 11. Which Ford supercar defeated Ferrari at Le Mans? A. 1968 Ford Thunderbird. B. 1966 Ford GT40 Mach 2. C. 1967 Ford Torino GT. D. 1969 Ford Fairlane. Answer: B. 1966 Ford GT40 Mach 2. Question 12. Which small British car became a rally legend? A. 1962 Austin Healey Sprite. B. 1964 Mini Cooper S. C. 1965 MG Midget. D. 1966 Sunbeam Tiger. Answer: B. 1964 Mini Cooper S. Question 13. Which American car had hidden headlights and shark styling? A. 1967 Plymouth Barracuda. B. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. C. 1968 Dodge Challenger. D. 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Answer: B. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Question 14. Before Aston Martin, which car did James Bond drive on screen? A. 1960 Jaguar XK120. B. 1962 Sunbeam Alpine. C. 1963 Triumph Spitfire. D. 1961 MGTF. Answer: B. 1962 Sunbeam Alpine. Question 15. Which Italian sedan gained fame in rally racing? A. 1966 Fiat 124. B. 1965 Lancia Fulvia. C. 1967 Alfa Romeo Giulia. D. 1968 Ferrari Dino 206 GT. Answer: B. 1965 Lancia Fulvia. So, how many cars did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you love classic cars and quizzes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car challenges.